Sunspots are such a plaguing thing to so many people. People from 20 to 100 come in and are really bothered by the spots on their hands, their legs, their feet. I have patients all the time who say, Dr. Tareen, I don't feel comfortable wearing a dress or a sleeveless shirt anymore. But there's a medley of options that can be used. Anything's from topical things, even you can get at the drugstore, such as things that have retinol in them, or things that have alpha hydroxy acids. Those can slowly over time increase cell turnover and help those sunspots slough away. Of course, broad spectrum sunscreen helps, but now we're more into treatment. A really underutilized thing for sunspots are chemical peels. Chemical peels utilize low-grade strength of acids that superficially cause a peeling of the top layer of the skin. So they're really good for cell turnover, overall just brightening the skin too. Next step, if you really want to go strong with sunspots, there are lasers. And in the past 10 years, there have been this new advent in this technology of laser called pico lasers, P-I-C-O. Pico lasers work by shattering the pigment in the top layer of the skin. We also use pico lasers for tattoos, but they're super effective because they get rid of just the pigment without treating the normal skin cells. So there's a whole bevy of price points from over the counter to in the office that you can do to really get rid of sunspots.